Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how to make easy banana waffles. I'm sure you'd really enjoy this. Now let's check out the ingredients. For this you'll need 2 eggs, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, half cup of sugar, 20 grams of butter, 3 medium-sized banana, 1 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon banana essence. This is optional. Now let's get started. So the first step will be to sieve the flour to make it easy and light, just as I'm doing right now. I'm going to add the baking powder, salt to taste, and sugar. Now remember, we're adding all the dry ingredients first into the flour. We're going to give this a quick stir to combine everything together. And now I'm going to prepare the wet ingredients. Now the first to go in would be the banana, because we're going to mash it up into a paste. Just place everything into a bowl and with a fork mash it up gently, as I'm doing right now. And I think it's perfect. Now I'm going to crack the eggs into the bowl. I'll be using 2 eggs for this. So I'll crack first one into the bowl. I'm going to add the milk. And the butter. Once everything is added, it's time to mix. So with a whisk, I'm going to mix everything to combine till it's perfect. Next, you pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And whisk. Stir thoroughly to combine so you get a well combined paste. Just keep stirring it. Stir, stir, stir. There's this thing about making like banana waffles in the morning. The aroma it leaves the house with is really amazing. Okay, right now I'll be adding banana flavor. And this is actually optional. But if you want that intense flavor and aroma, you'd be glad you added it. But for the taste, the natural banana added is okay. Now, time to make the waffles. You heat up the waffle maker for about 2 minutes and add the butter. You could also use margarine for this. So I'm going to let this melt. And once it's melted thoroughly, it's time to scoop full spoons of the waffle mixture onto the waffle pan. Just scoop it in. And I'm going to cover the waffle maker for about 10 minutes. This would give it time to cook completely, and it looks perfect. So I'm going to gently bring this out. And the waffle is ready. Time to serve. Now, waffles could be served with ice cream, could be served with syrup, could be served with just about anything. I enjoy mine with ice cream actually, and syrup as shown in the video right now. Really tasty.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.